Say hello to a new world of home entertainment with superior picture and sound. Say hello to the Polaris 4K Laser TV by Bowmaker, a cutting-edge ultra-short throw laser projector with 2500 ANSI lumen output and a maximum image size of up to 200 inches. Polaris 4K Laser TV brings every scene to life with 4K HDR10 images. By using tri-color RGB laser technology, Polaris renders a stunning 193% NTSC color gamut. The three individual lasers allow Polaris to mix red, green, and blue channels in different quantities, achieving brighter, more vivid colors than a conventional projector, with a maximum screen size 3 times the average TV. But what's a big image without big sound? Polaris features built-in Dolby DD Plus surround sound and Bluetooth audio streaming, giving you full 3-dimensional audio immersion while viewing. And the ultra-short 0.25:1 throw ratio lets you place Polaris at the front of the room and still get a big picture, bringing you a cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. And comfort is what Polaris was built for, or specifically, eye comfort. Traditional screens cast blue light directly into your eyes, causing eye strain and headaches, but with the Polaris Laser TV, the light you see is reflected, less blue and less harsh. And MEMC motion smoothing and 3D noise reduction creates a cleaner, smoother image, perfect for fast-paced action. With HDMI, USB component inputs, plus Bluetooth support, Polaris is compatible with everything from Blu-ray to your favorite streaming device.
Bowmaker has been creating high-quality speakers and projectors since 2015. With the Polaris 4K Laser TV, we're bringing everything to the next level. The Polaris is not only sharper, brighter, and more colorful than other projectors, it's quieter and more energy efficient. If you're ready to experience the future of television, back us today to claim your exclusive discount and see the difference for yourself.
Polaris 4K Laser TV. Enjoy the future of television.